New details emerge as the Electric Mayhem are still missing. Muppet Newsflash has confirmed band member Animal was spotted with rock legend Travis Barker just last night, as seen in these exclusive images. Joining us now is Travis Barker. Travis, do you care to comment on the whereabouts of your fellow passionate and personable percussionists?
Nice, thank you. Look, this isn't like me. They're real rock stars, okay? And real rock stars care about one thing.
Punctuality?
No, they're bands. I mean, listen to them out there. The Mayhem will be here. Come on, guys. You're band.
Danny, can you get me on the schedule with that classical music tutor? Turns out my father was worse than my bike.
All the way across the room. The beat band is easy distracting, so please don't buy photography or video lighting, and please don't sit on the handrail.
Hey, Penguin, how's that sound?
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Big Bob. Scooter? What's happening? Rock.
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Chef?
Is Vertiger's rockin' the road? Vertiger's rockin' the road.
Well, that was kind of a half-baked gag.
I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
So I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo, actually.
How fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Okay, you should get going.
But what about all of them?
How we feel about a band?
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that idea.
Dude, get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
This has to be Alex. Muppets Lab Automated Plan.
You forgot to put on your earmuffs.
Joining us on this one is someone who's like pure sunshine, Clarkson.
Oh, Janice, it's so great to be up here with you and the Electric Mayhem.
These folks don't look half bad.
You're right. They look all bad.
I can run away from it.
Oh, no, I want to put it everywhere. Thank you, I appreciate you. Hold this piece on. That's yours, right? Then hold it, okay? Do anything.
Reached out to me.